Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello everyone. Welcoming you to a new scenario-based PostgreSQL tutorial. In this session, we are going to focus on the PostgreSQL serial pseudo type and how to use these to define auto-increment columns in the tables. Let's begin the session. In PostgreSQL, a sequence is a special kind of database object that generates a sequence of integers. While creating a new table, the sequence can be created through the sequence pseudo type. By assigning the serial pseudo type to the ID column, PostgreSQL performs the following steps. First, it creates a sequence object and sets the next value generated by the sequence as the default value for the column. Second, it adds a not null constraint to the ID column because a sequence always generates an integer which is not null value. Third, it assigns the owner of the sequence to the ID column. Now we are going to pgadmin and will generate an auto increment column. First we are going to create a new table group member with an auto increment column ID and another column name with the data type varchar. This ID is a serial pseudo type column where the value will start from 1 and the increment will be 1. So for the first insert, it will generate 1 as ID, and for the second insert, the ID will be 2. Let's create the table. So we have successfully created the group member table. Now data insertion. We are going to insert these 4 values to the name column of group member table. As we set ID column as auto increment column, for the first entry, it will generate the row with the data 1 and Rohit Sharma. For the second entry, it will be 2 and Robin Smith, and it will follow the same way. Let's insert this data and visualize the result using this select start from table statement. So we have successfully inserted the data into group member table, and auto increment column data are incrementing by 1. Now we will change the initial sequence number and the increment by value. To do so, we use alter sequence name statement. In this specific scenario, we set 100 as reset value and 5 as increment by value. So the first insert after this will start from ID value 100 and the next one will be 105. Now let's insert this group of data and visualize the table. This time the ID started from 100 and incremented by 5. Finally, we reset the sequence value to the initial value 1 and incremented by 1. This alter sequence name will help us to do so. Let's execute this. Now we will insert this group of data. And now this table contains all the data. So we have successfully reset the sequence to 1 again, and increment by is 1. With this we are finishing our demonstration in pgadmin, now returning to the presentation. In today's session, first we have created a table with an auto increment column and then changed the sequence start val and increment by value as per our requirements. That's all for today.